welcome back to my channel. So today we are creating this eye look, and today I'm using the new Tistheseason palette by Cosmicbrushes. I ordered this last week and I am absolutely in love with Cosmicbrushes. I've never ever used any of their stuff and wow, I'm amazed. So what I've been doing is I've been playing about with them. I played about with the Gothic palette, which is in another video which I'll link up here, so you can go and check that eye look out, but I thought today we'll play with this one. It's a 20 colour palette and it looks like this. How absolutely stunning. What I absolutely love about this is the shimmers are so shimmery. Like, some of them are like kind of dual chrome effect as well, so like they're just, oh, they're honestly insane. I just, like, wait till I show you something. Right, so this is Cranberries. So this is the kind of dual shift one. Don't know if you can see that, it's red. And it goes green. See that? Kind of red and green. It goes red, but in other lights it goes green. Oh, it's not even going to do it justice, but it goes from like red to green, and it is like that kind of dual chrome shift. It's absolutely stunning. They are super pigmented. I used this shade today, which is called Decorations. It is a super lime green. That's what's on my eyelids right now, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I really love the layout of the palette because you've got like all your greens along here, all your kind of oranges and browns, purples and then reds at the bottom. I love that because it means that I can actually look at the palette and I can either use multiple shades across it, or I can just use it in the sections that it's in. So that's what I've actually done today, and I'm thinking about doing like a little series where I use every single kind of row. So today I've used all of the colours in the green row, so that is this look here. And if you want to know how I created it, then just keep watching. So we're going in with the Tistheseason palette today, and today we're going in with the full row of greens, and the next few looks are going to be with this palette, and I'm going to do like all the browns, purples and all the reds and stuff. But first we're just starting off with the Plouise base. You guys know this, I use it all the time. I love putting this down just because it gives me a nice even coverage on my eyelids, and I just feel like it makes eyeshadow pop. Now, eyeshadows are absolutely phenomenal. Honestly, I have only like just discovered this brand. I don't know how, but I just have. And honestly, I'm absolutely blown away. This palette is absolutely stunning, and I love the fact that the rows are all similar. You can either use the full eyeshadow palette across the board, or you could just use the rows like I'm doing now. So as I said, the next few videos I'm probably going to be putting this palette to good use. I don't seem to do that. I seem to do like one or two looks, then just leave like the palettes and move on to something else. So I'm actually going to try my best this year to get out as many looks as I possibly can. And with Valentine's and stuff coming up as well, you guys will be wanting to get your glam on, so yeah. So we're going in with the green look today, and I'm basically just doing like a kind of green like spotlight eye with a kind of darker green lower lash. So I wanted just to put this eyeshadow palette to the test, and as you guys can see, I'm using all of the greens, and in all the other videos I'll be doing the same. I was so impressed with these shimmery colours, guys. They're absolutely phenomenal. There's some shimmers, the mattes are really pigmented, and the dual chromes, they're even nicer as well. But yeah, as I'm saying, guys, I can't actually rave about this brand enough. And I'm going to be getting their new release as well, which they're just coming out with as well. So stay tuned for that, because I've definitely got some looks up my sleeve for that palette as well. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just going in with the mattes, and then I'm putting the light green shimmer shade in the centre. Keeping the look pretty simple, not doing anything too technical or anything. Just a lot of blending. Doing a little bit of a liner here. I did actually go in with the Inglot liner. My little eyeliners from TikTok, guys. Go and follow me on TikTok if you're not already. It's just Louise McVie with a little underscore. And yeah, so just doing that. Just doing a little bit of a winged liner here. I do thicken it up when I add a nice lash and stuff. I was trying to do like a kind of sharp inner corner. I don't know how well I really pulled it off, but I was trying. I'm just doing my lower lash now, and I'm just putting this dark shimmery green on my lower lash. I loved the contrast between this, like the light green on the top with the dark green underneath. It was really nice, and with it being a really nice day, it really sparkled as well. Now I'm taking my trusty lashes from Lily White Cosmetics, and these are in the style New York. Now guys, I must apologise because my battery pack for like my whole setup actually ran out, so I had to go and use like my little batteries from the actual Canon, and I've got 3 of them. So yeah, you don't actually get to see my base, but it's all about the eye look anyway. So yeah. Then I'm just doing my usual nude lip combo. You guys will know everything will be listed, and this is this look. Sorry for the rambling, guys. I'm just super excited for this brand, but I will see you guys in my next video. Please stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, and I'll see you guys in a bit.